Alright, it's April, aka Blueberry Bootcamp season. Let's see what's about to go down in the berry patch. My bushes are 3 to 5 years old, which means they're not babies anymore. They're in their moody teenager phase and need some structure. If the soil pH is out of range, I'll try to fix it. If it's hopeless, I'm replacing it. No weak links in this berry gang. I don't have an irrigation system, so if the soil feels dry, I water manually. Very analog, very vintage. This little guy joined the blueberry team 2 weeks ago. Buds are showing up, so we're good. No planned hospital visits required. Yet. Yes, we're fertilizing this month, but I'm not spilling the details just yet. In one of the next videos, I'll show exactly what, when, and how I feed these little gremlins. And over here, in row 2, yeah, we're kinda full. This one's not doing great. Why? We'll test the soil because it's better than crossing your fingers. Hypothesis, something's definitely off. April plan number 1, weeding, because the bushes are working hard and don't need freeloaders stealing their spotlight. Next, fresh mulch. I'm using medium-sized pine bark to keep things moist and classy. Just a little top-up to keep it neat and cozy for the roots. I might add another bush or 2 if I get a little reckless. Who knows? Stay tuned for the chaos. And that's the April game plan for the blueberries. Smash that sub button if you want to see me feeding these little gremlins, or if you're just here to see my gardening mistakes.